Hello children. What will we learn children? We'll learn how to compare, that is we'll find out which decimal is the greater one and which is the smaller one, and then we'll learn how to add, subtract, multiply and also divide our given decimal numbers. So we have already learnt about decimal numbers in the previous classes. Read the following place value chart and fill up the table. The first one is done for you. Now if some of you might have already learnt about decimals in your previous classes, but for those who do not know what decimals are, say this is one number, okay, 512.017. This is a decimal number. What is this children? This is a decimal number. Are you seeing this point here? Yes, this point is called as our decimal point. In a decimal number we have a decimal point. Yes, so such numbers are called as decimal numbers. And how do we read it? Before the point, that is to the left side, this is 512. So it will be read as it is 512. Then we have point, so read as point 0 1 7. Are you seeing the difference here children? After point we are having 0 1 7. We are having three numbers. We are not reading them combinedly as 17. We will read them as it is 0 1 7. Understood? How will we read this decimal number? 512.017. This is a decimal number which has a decimal point, and the numbers before the to the left of the decimal point are read together. See, 512, and after the point, that is to the right side, we read the numbers separately. We read the digits separately, 0 1 7. So this is the basic thing that you have to know about decimal numbers children. If you look at the place value chart of decimals, see here we are having the number 242.012. 242.012. Now what did we learn just now? That to the left of the decimal point we are having 2, 4 and 2. This will be together read as 242. Yes, what are the place values of these? 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. Yes children, so this is common, that is normally as we write the place values of numbers, it is the same here. For what? For the digits before to the left of the decimal point. Yes, see, we are having hundreds, tens and ones. 2, 4 and 2. This is to the left of the decimal point. Now when we come to the right side of the decimal point, the number here is 242.012. This is hundreds, tens and ones. Now to the right side of the decimal point, this will be 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. The place values will change. Okay. See, before decimal point what do we have? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After decimal point, that is to the right side of the decimal point, we do not have ones, tens, hundreds. We start from 1 by 10. Then we have 1 by 100. Then we have 1 by 1000. There is no ones here. There is no ones here. We start from 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. And what is another important point to remember? The pattern children. See, we are already familiar with this ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. For the decimal numbers here, that is after for the digits after the decimal point, we'll write 1 by tens, hundreds and thousands in the reverse order. Normally we write tens, hundreds and thousands like this, from right to left. But in decimal points, we move from left to right. 1 by tens, 1 by hundreds and 1 by thousand. Understood children? The place values, the direction here is important. Here we have ones, tens, hundreds. Here we have tens, hundreds and thousands like this. If you look at the numbers here, yes. So what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds. This would be 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by thousands. See, in 1 by tens place we have 0. In 1 by 100 we have 1. And in 1 by 1000 we have 2. Now coming to the next number, we are having 3 in thousands place, 1 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place and 4 in ones place. So how will we write?